Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of house plants, focusing on one that's both popular and incredibly beneficial: the snake plant. Known scientifically as Sansevieria trifasciata, the snake plant, also called mother-in-law's tongue, is more than just a striking addition to your home decor. It boasts a range of hidden benefits that can improve your health, well-being, and even your home environment. Stay tuned as we uncover the surprising advantages of having a snake plant in your home. Before we start discussing the myriad benefits of the snake plant, let's take a moment to appreciate its rich history and origins. The snake plant is native to West Africa, specifically in countries like Nigeria and Congo. It thrives in arid conditions, which explains its remarkable drought tolerance. The plant has been cultivated for centuries, initially for practical purposes. Historically, the fibers from snake plants were used to make bowstrings, ropes, and other materials due to their durability and strength. The plant's robust nature made it an invaluable resource for indigenous communities in many African cultures. The snake plant is considered a symbol of good luck and protection. It was often planted around homes and villages to ward off evil spirits and negative energy. This cultural significance has carried over into modern practices, where the plant is still regarded as a bringer of good fortune. The snake plant's resilience and low maintenance requirements have made it a popular houseplant worldwide. It was introduced to Europe and the Americas in the 18th century, where it quickly gained popularity as an ornamental plant. Today, it's a common fixture in homes, offices, and public spaces, appreciated not only for its aesthetic appeal, but also for its numerous health benefits. So let's start with one of the most well-known benefits of the snake plant: air purification. Indoor air quality can significantly impact our health, and the snake plant excels in improving it. Let's explore in more detail. 1. It removes toxins. The snake plant is particularly effective at removing toxins from the air. In a famous NASA study, it was found to filter out at least 107 known air pollutants, including formaldehyde, xylene, toluene, and nitrogen oxides. These toxins are commonly found in household items, such as cleaning products, paints, and furnishings, making the snake plant a valuable ally in maintaining a healthier indoor environment. 2. It converts CO2 to oxygen at night. Unlike most plants that convert CO2 into oxygen during the day, the snake plant continues this process at night. This makes it an excellent plant to keep in your bedroom, as it can help improve air quality and potentially lead to better sleep. 3. Reduces indoor airborne allergens. In addition to removing toxins, the snake plant helps reduce airborne allergens, such as dust and dander. Its ability to trap and convert these particles can significantly lower the allergen levels in your home. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with asthma or other respiratory conditions, as it can help create a cleaner and more breathable indoor environment. Another hidden benefit of the snake plant is its low maintenance. It's an ideal choice for both novice and experienced plant owners. Drought tolerant. Snake plants are highly drought tolerant, meaning they can go for long periods without water. This resilience makes them perfect for busy individuals or those who tend to forget about watering their plants regularly. Low light tolerance. Snake plants thrive in various lighting conditions, from bright indirect light to low light. This versatility allows them to be placed almost anywhere in your home, from sunny windowsills to dimly lit corners. Beyond air purification, snake plants offer several direct health benefits. 1. It reduces allergies. By removing airborne allergens and pollutants, snake plants can help reduce symptoms of allergies. Cleaner air means fewer irritants that can cause sneezing, coughing, and other allergic reactions. 2. Improves mental health. Studies have shown that indoor plants can have a positive effect on mental health. The presence of greenery has been linked to reduced stress, anxiety, and depression levels. The snake plant, with its robust and resilient nature, can contribute to a calming and stress-free environment. No. 3. Boosts productivity and focus. Having plants in your workspace can increase productivity and focus. The snake plant, with its striking appearance and minimal care requirements, can help create a more pleasant and efficient work environment. No. For aids in faster recovery. Research has indicated that having plants, like the snake plant, in hospital rooms can aid in faster recovery from surgery or illness. Patients with indoor plants in their rooms tend to experience lower stress levels, reduced pain perception, and, overall, quicker recovery time compared to those without plants. No. 5. Enhances mood and well-being. The presence of a snake plant can enhance mood and overall well-being. Interacting with plants and having them in your living space can induce positive emotions, increase feelings of happiness, and reduce feelings of loneliness and isolation. The snake plant isn't just good for your health, it also has aesthetic and spiritual benefits. In Feng Shui, the snake plant is believed to bring positive energy into your home. Its upward growing leaves symbolize growth and resilience. Placing a snake plant near the entrance of your home is said to protect against negative energy and bring in good luck. The sleek, upright leaves of the snake plant add a modern and stylish touch to any room. They come in various shapes and sizes, from tall and narrow to short and wide, making them a versatile choice for different interior design styles. The snake plant also has a positive impact on the environment because of its low water requirements and ability to thrive in various conditions. The snake plant is a sustainable choice for eco-conscious individuals. It requires fewer resources to maintain. Compared to other houseplants, snake plants are biodegradable and non-toxic, making them an environmentally friendly option. They do not release harmful chemicals or contribute to landfill waste at the end of their life cycle. To maximize the benefits of your snake plant, proper care is essential. Here are some practical tips to ensure your snake plant thrives. 1. Watering. Water your snake plant sparingly. Allow the soil to dry out completely between waterings to prevent root rot during the winter months. Reduce watering frequency as the plant's growth slows down. 1. Lighting. While snake plants can tolerate low light, they prefer bright, indirect light for optimal growth. Avoid placing them in direct sunlight, as this can scorch the leaves. 1. Soil and potting. Use well-draining soil and a pot with drainage holes to prevent water from accumulating at the roots. A cactus or succulent mix is ideal for snake plants. 1. Temperature and humidity. Snake plants thrive in average room temperatures between 60–75 degrees F, -124 degrees C. They can tolerate lower humidity levels, though will appreciate occasional misting. In very dry environments. 1. Fertilizing. Feed your snake plant with a balanced, all-purpose fertilizer during the growing season, spring and summer. Reduce or stop fertilizing during the fall and winter months. Even though snake plants are hardy, they can sometimes face issues. Here are some common problems and solutions. Overwatering symptoms. Yellowing leaves. Mushy root solution. Allow the soil to dry out completely before watering. Again, repot the plant in fresh, well-draining soil if root rot occurs. Underwatering symptoms. Brown tips. Dry and crispy leaves. Solution. Increase watering frequency, ensuring the soil dries out completely between waterings. Pest infestation symptoms. Small visible insects. Sticky residue on leaf solution. Wipe the leaves with a damp cloth and treat the plant with insecticidal soap or neem oil. The snake plant is truly a remarkable houseplant, offering a myriad of hidden benefits, from purifying the air and improving mental health, to adding aesthetic and spiritual value to your home. This resilient plant is a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their living space. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or just starting, the snake plant's low-maintenance nature and versatile benefits make it an excellent addition to any home. In addition to all these practical benefits, the snake plant also stands as a symbol of resilience and adaptability. Its ability to thrive in various conditions with minimal care reflects a sense of perseverance and endurance, which can be inspiring for anyone seeking to create a nurturing and uplifting environment in their home. By choosing to incorporate snake plants into your living space, you're not only enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your home, but also contributing to a healthier, more sustainable lifestyle. These plants remind us of the importance of nature in our daily lives and the numerous ways in which we can benefit from bringing a little bit of the outdoors inside. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with snake plants, leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.